What if I told you that most business advice is actually holding you back? That working longer hours, writing business plans, or even chasing investors might be a waste of time? This book flips everything you thought you knew about success upside down. Welcome to Speed Reads, the place where we break down powerful business books so you don't have to read hundreds of pages. Today, we're talking about Rework, a game-changing book by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson, the founders of the software company Basecamp. These guys built a successful company without following traditional business rules. And in Rework, they reveal how you can do the same, whether you're starting a business, freelancing, or just trying to do work that actually matters. At its core, Rework challenges the traditional way of doing business. The message is simple. You don't need a big plan, a big team, or a big budget to succeed. You just need to start. It's about doing less, working smarter, and staying small while focusing on what really matters. Key takeaways. 1. Planning is guessing. Most people spend months making business plans. But the truth is, you're just guessing what might happen. Instead, start small and adjust as you go. You'll learn more from real action than from perfect plans. 2. Don't wait for the perfect time. There's never a perfect moment to launch. Waiting usually means not starting at all. Just begin with what you have. Start before you're ready and fix things along the way. 3. Embrace constraints. You don't need millions in funding. In fact, limited time, money, and resources can make you more creative. When you have fewer options, you're forced to focus on what really matters. 4. Meetings are toxic. Most meetings waste time. Instead of long discussions, keep communication short, clear, and to the point. Use email, messaging, or quick check-ins instead of dragging everyone into a room. 5. Say no by default. It's tempting to say yes to every idea or opportunity, but saying yes to everything spreads you too thin. Instead, protect your time and focus. Only say yes to what truly matters. Who should read this book? If you're a startup founder tired of corporate rules, a freelancer or solopreneur looking to grow smart, or even someone with a 9-to-5 who wants to work better, not harder, then Rework is for you. It cuts the fluff and gives you straightforward, honest advice that actually works in today's world. Conclusion and call to action. That's a quick dive into Rework, a book that proves you don't need to follow the old rules to succeed. Sometimes doing less is actually more effective. If this helped you, please hit like, drop a comment with your favorite takeaway, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful business book breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, start now. Start small, just start.